In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove extensions in Microsoft Edge. If you're looking to enhance your browsing experience or simply manage the extensions you have, you're in the right place. Let's get started by learning how to add a new extension. First, you'll want to launch the Edge browser on your Windows 10 device. Once it's open, take a look at the area to the right of the address bar. If you see the extensions button, which looks like a little puzzle piece icon, go ahead and click on it. If you don't see this icon, don't worry. You can still access your extensions by clicking on the Settings and More button, represented by three dots in the upper right corner of the browser, and then selecting Extensions from the drop-down menu. Once you are in the Extensions section, the next step is to select Get Extensions for Microsoft Edge. This will take you to the Microsoft Edge add-ons store, where you can search for the extension you want. Type in the name of the extension in the search bar and browse through your options. When you've found an extension you're interested in, click on Get to proceed with the installation. After clicking Get, a pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you'd like to add the extension. Confirm by clicking Add Extension, and in just a few moments the extension will install. You'll know that it's ready to use when its icon shows up next to the address bar. You might need to pin it so it's visible all the time. Just click on the Extensions button and pin the extensions you want available at a glance. Now, let's talk about removing extensions, because sometimes you might decide that you no longer need a particular extension or you want to free up some space. With Edge open, click on Settings and More and go to Extensions. You'll see a list of all your installed extensions. Find the one you want to manage. You have a couple of options here. You can either remove it permanently or just turn it off temporarily. If you choose Remove, the extension will be deleted entirely from your system, so choose this option if you're sure you no longer need it. If you're not ready for such a drastic measure, the Turn Off option will disable the extension, but keep it installed, allowing you to reactivate it whenever you need it again. Another quick way to remove an extension is to right-click on its icon next to the address bar. From the menu, select Remove from Microsoft Edge to delete the extension. And there you have it, a simple way to manage your Edge browser extensions. I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your browsing setup.